touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body give it.
Hello everyone, my name is Hosnul Ilmi and I am a student of Biology Education at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And then now I would like to share a little of what I know about DNA. I hope you will enjoy and find it helpful. Let's get started. DNA is molecular composed of two polynucleotide chains, each of which consists of 4 types of nucleotide subunits. Each of these chains is known as DNA strand. The nucleotides in DNA consist of 5 carbon sugar, in this case deoxyribose, bound to one or more phosphate groups and a nitrogen-containing base. These bases found in DNA are adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine, and they always pair up. Adenine always pair up with thymine and guanine with cytosine. After discussing its structure, I'll briefly cover the function of DNA. What exactly is the function of DNA? DNA serves the following function. The first one is storing genetic information. DNA functions as a repository for the genetic information necessary to build and maintain all cells in the body. Within DNA are genes containing instructions for the synthesis of specific proteins. These proteins play a role in nearly all biological processes. In other words, DNA is the blueprint that determines how our bodies function. And now we move on to the second one, the function of DNA. It's regulating protein synthesis. Protein synthesis begins with transcription, where information from DNA is copied into RNA. Then RNA is used as a template for protein synthesis in a process called translation. The proteins produced by this process have various functions, including enzymes, hormones, and structural components of cells. And now I will go to the last function of DNA, its replication. Replication is the ability of DNA to duplicate itself during cell division. This is essential because to ensure that every new cell has a complete copy of the genetic information. Those are the functions of DNA. So the conclusion is, on DNA, there is genetic information is carried in a linear sequence of nucleotides. Each DNA molecule is a double helix formed two complementary strands of nucleotides held together by hydrogen bonds between the GC and AT base pairs. The duplication of genetic information occurs by using one DNA strand as a template for the formation of a complementary strand. Genetic information stored in an organism DNA contains instructions for all the proteins that the organism will synthesize and is said to constitute its genome. I think that's all I can say. I am Khosnul Ilmi. See you again.